the PDP National Working Committee appoints Ambassador Damagum as acting national chairman. The National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, at an emergency meeting today, Tuesday, March 28, 2023, acknowledged the order of the Benue State High Court, dated March 27, 2023, with regards to the chairmanship position of our great party. After a careful consideration of the court order, and in line with Section 45, subsection 2 of the Constitution of the PDP as amended in 2017, the NWC resolved that the Deputy National Chairman North, His Excellency Ambassador Umar Ililya Damagum, assumes the national chairmanship of our party in acting capacity, with effect from today, Tuesday, 28 March 2023. The National Working Committee charges all leaders, critical stakeholders, teaming members and supporters of our great party to remain calm and united at this critical time. I thank you for listening. I will now do the formal presentation of the acting national chairman, Ambassador Damagum, to you and to Nigerian and to the whole world. Thank you very, very much. Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, sir. Acting national chairman of our great party, His Excellency.
I'm sure more than some of us here, what is happening in the party. We are just here today doing all righteousness. We are trying to fulfill all righteousness. We have a court order restraining our national chairman to act as chairman, and we are law-abiding citizens. The party is law-abiding, and we intended to follow what the law says. I will be here with you in an acting capacity pending the determination of what is to come soonest from the courts. I want to use this opportunity to enjoin you to give me all the cooperation as we've always had with you. I will have a meeting immediately after this session with the NWC. I think we have scheduled a meeting with the NWC to check on what is happening within the party, and when I'm fully briefed, I will call you again and we'll have a session, a question and answer session. I'm sure you people are eager to ask so many questions now. I may not be in a rightful position to say much, but I will give opportunity for 2 questions, so that at least I don't err in law. There is already a court order. I don't know what the order means. I have to study it first, so I don't want to run contrary to the... So 2 questions, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You said the former national chairman. It's the subject of court, but he has every right to come and pick his personal belongings if he has. So he didn't come here to chair any meeting.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, madam.
My name is Amaka Ude Walker. I report for Arise News. My own question to you is just simple. We've seen a gale of suspensions within your party since the elections was over. Now that you are the acting chairman of the party, what part are you going to chat for the party moving forward? Especially since there's a lot of disgruntled members and aggrieved members.
See, as a party, we are prone to reconciliation. That thing you are asking of already is on my mind. We will review it. I've already spoken. We'll have a meeting, NWC meeting tomorrow, and in that meeting we'll discuss it, and there will be a possible review of whatever.
So are you saying that you're going to reverse some of the suspension
I said review.
Review.
Yeah.
We're going to review. It's an ongoing process. We're going to be reviewing our processes as we proceed.
So thank you very much, gentlemen. Yes, ma'am.
I get it very stressful.